Irresistible deep dish cheesecake coffee cake recipe, heavenly dessert delight. Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel, Miss Coffee Baby, where we bring you mouthwatering recipes that'll satisfy your sweet cravings. Today, we've got something truly special for you, a deep dish cheesecake coffee cake that's a slice of pure heaven. So, grab your apron, and let's get baking. Before we dive into this delectable dessert, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to never miss our tasty updates. Now, let's take a look at what we'll need. Ingredients: 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, softened, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup of strong brewed coffee, cooled, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt. For the cheesecake layer: 8 ounces of cream cheese, softened, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 large egg, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the streusel topping: 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of cold butter, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Instructions. Step 1. Prepare the cake batter in a large bowl. Whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. In another bowl, cream together the softened butter and sugar until it's light and fluffy. Add the egg, vanilla extract, sour cream, and brewed coffee, then mix until well combined. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until you have a smooth batter. Step 2. Make the cheesecake layer in a separate bowl. Beat the softened cream cheese, sugar, egg, and vanilla extract until it's smooth and creamy. Step 3. Prepare the streusel topping in a small bowl. Combine flour, sugar, and cinnamon. Cut in the cold butter until the mixture is crumbly. Step 4. Assemble and bake. Grease a deep dish or springform pan. Pour half of the cake batter into the pan and spread it evenly. Carefully spread the cheesecake layer over the cake batter. Pour the remaining cake batter over the cheesecake layer. Sprinkle the streusel topping evenly over the top. Step 5. Bake and enjoy. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for 40-45 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool for a while, then slice and serve. And there you have it, our incredible deep dish cheesecake coffee cake. It's a perfect treat for any time of the day. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Until next time, happy baking. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.